Hello and welcome to HashCase, the platform that helps you convert your consumers into superfans by running better and smarter campaigns. The problem that HashCase solves is for customer retention. Now, customer retention is a very tricky process. Most companies think that if we just collect our users' personal information and give them discounts, that's customer retention right there. But in today's day and age, that's not going to cut it anymore. What we know about customer retention is that it's hard, it works, and we also know that is not something that you can add retroactively. You need to be on it. You need to have it from the first day. That's where HashCase comes in. Our no-code platform helps brand managers create whatever customer retention campaign they want and integrate it into their web or mobile application with near zero effort. And the reason why this problem is very important now is because we're starting to see a shift from spending a lot of money on customer acquisition to redirecting that money towards customer retention. A retained and happy customer can help do a lot of marketing, sales, affiliate, and referral work for you. And more people are starting to see the value in customer retention, but not a lot of very good tools exist out there. So, how does HashCase work? Oh, this is right. When you come to our dashboard, you can create collections, metadata, orders, loyalty points, quests, badges, streaks, leaderboard, you name it, and it's there. Let's take a look at some of the things people have created. Over here, somebody's using it to collect orders where they can go and change the order status. Some people are using it for points. Yes, everyone that works with us gets an API key. Let's try to modify one of the points. So you can put some codes over here. You can select which type of points it is, whether it's fixed, variable, one-time fixed, one-time variable. You can assign values as to how many points it has. In the quest section, you can put some description for the quest, how many points it carries, how many required completions it has, and any other fields as applicable. Same for the badges. You can also have these badges active from a certain point to a certain point and make them seasonal as they've done here. And once your campaign is up and running, you get all your user analytics over here. How many points, how many streaks, what was the longest streak, any recent activity or transactions, whether someone has referred them or not. And this gives brand managers a very deep insight into their product and how users are interacting with it. So now let's see the brand side of things and how this would look like on someone's platform. Here we have a cooking app that is using our infrastructure. So they have profiles, leaderboards, badges, streaks, and challenges, right? So we can see the badges. In order to complete this badge, I need to do all of these subtasks as we call them. And I can now see which of these dishes I need to cook on their app to complete the subtask. I can choose different subtasks to do, and it will keep suggesting different dishes that I need to cook in order to meet them. I think the internet is a little slow here. That's why it loads slowly, but that's okay. Apart from this, I have my streak. So it shows me how many days I cook. Supposing I miss a day, a streak freeze gets applied, and I have 5 streak freezes that reset every month. So that's another great way to retain customers. These are seasonal challenges that people do. And here I can see how, based on the experience I have, I can go from novice chef to skilled, pro, expert, and finally culinary master. This app has started retaining their customers, and in the last 4 months that they've been working with us, they've seen their number of weekly cooking sessions jump from three a week to 4.5 times a week. And we're going to take it much higher as we go along. Another very good use of Hashcase is on-chain points. A lot of DeFi platforms like this one, Raga is a DeFi vault product. They use Hashcase to figure out, based on the user, how much deposit, any recent transactions, what are the total points earned, what does the cumulative deposits and points look like. So that's another thing that we started doing really well. And the beauty is that because Hashcase is completely Web3 enabled, we have the unique opportunity of sort of cross-pollinating these points. We've gotten to a stage where we have 20 brands, we have more than a million users, and we're starting to see interest where these tokenized points will start getting traded from one to another and help brands reduce their liabilities, which starts to accumulate as they give out these points. I can't wait to share more about this with you. And I'll also share some reading material about what our use cases, our success stories, and things like that look like. But with HashCase, you can retain your customers, turn them into superfans, and run better, smarter campaigns. Thank you very much.